qualitative analysis. This is very important for class 12 students. For your laboratory as well as your JE main examination, questions will come from this part. Okay, now in advance also you will get questions from this. Qualitative analysis involves the detection of basic radicals. Basic radicals means cations, and acidic radicals means anions of a salt or a mixture of salts. For your class 12, only one salt will be given. In your graduation level, mixture of salts will be given. Acid plus base gives just salt and water, and whatever the heat is there, that heat is called heat of neutralization. Simple example is mentioned here. When a strong acid and when a strong base is forming 1 mole of water, the amount of energy released is 57.3 kilojoules per mole. Heat released. Fine. Just to make it simple. Now, here sodium plus is basic radical because it is coming from the base. It is acidic radical because it is coming from the acid. The meaning of basic radical and acidic radical. So, cations are basic radicals, anions are acidic radicals. The systematic procedure for qualitative analysis is, first you need to go with preliminary tests. Preliminary test means physical appearance, how do they appear, color and smell. Dry, heating test. Dry test we can call this is. Flame test, what type of colors they are showing on flame. Borax bead test. Charcoal cavity test. Cobalt nitrate test. Then wet test for acidic radicals, then wet test for basic radicals. First we will go for physical appearance. Okay, now this will make in few videos, like 10-15 videos will make. One by one we'll discuss all this. First, ammonical smell, if it is there, that is ammonium salt. What is ammonical smell? It's very simple. Take the salt in your palm, okay, and deeply smell it. Like this you take. Okay, now if the smell comes to your brain, like that means to your center of the head and 2 drops of water coming from your ears, eyes, that is called ears and nose is also possible. Just I'm kidding. So if you are getting 2 drops of tears, then that is a very strong smell. Vinegar like smell you can notice in your all fast food centers. They use much. Smell like rotten eggs, that is sulfide. Chlorine gas smell you can see in water, sometimes bleaching powder. And bitter almond smell, cyanides. Okay, these you don't get generally in your class 12 standard. Physical appearance, how do they appear? Light pink color, manganese, hydrated salt of manganese. Reddish pink color, hydrated salt of cobalt 2. Red color, okay, now HGO, HgI2, Pb3O4, sindoor. Orange red color, Sb2S3, some dichromates and ferricyanides. Reddish brown, Fe2O3, dark brown, PbO2, Ba2S3, CdO, Ag2O, CuCrO4, SNS. Light yellow or brown, all this you can notice here. Green color, K2MnO4, nickel salts, hydrated ferrous. Ferrous you can't see for a long time, that green will turn into brown. Okay, now some copper 2 compounds. Dark green, chromium 3. Blue, CuSO4 5H2. And anhydrous cobalt sulfate. Black, sulfides of silver, copper, Q+, cupric, iron plus 2. All these you can see. Okay, now a list is mentioned here. Physical appearance, how do they appear in solutions? Green or blue, copper plus 2, Cr plus 3, Fe plus 2, Na plus 2. Pink, cobalt or manganese. Yellow, these are the possibilities. CrO4 minus 2, chromate, ferric, and FeCN6 taken. FeCN6 4 minus charge means this is potassium ferrocyanide type, ferrocyanide salt. Orange dichromates, purple permanganates. Dry, heating. Substances on heating, substances if it is decrepitates, crackling noise, like this if it is breaking. NaCl, Ki, lead nitrate, barium nitrate may be possible. Substance melts or fuses. Alkali metal salts are salt containing water of crystallization. Substance swells due to loss of water of crystallization. Alums, borates, and phosphates. The substance sublimes, and the color of the sublimate is, if it is white, then these are the possibilities. If it is yellow, sublimate color, these are the possibilities. Okay, turns red when rubbed with glass rod. If blue, black, and violet appears, that is iodide. This is dry test we are using, dry heating. Heating means delta we show. If a residue, generally oxides, is left and its color is white, okay. If it is in cold state white, zinc oxide, in hot state it will turn into yellow. Reddish brown hot, cold yellow, PbO. Hot black and cold red condition, HgO, Pb3O4. Hot black, cold red brown is Fe2O3. Original salt blue becomes white on heating is hydrated copper sulfate because it loses water molecules. When water molecules have gone, this is colorless. Very important concept. Coming to gas evolved. Okay, now if ammonium gas is coming out, okay, now that is ammonium nitrate. Generally, ammonia gas will come out. Colorless and odorless, there are two chances. CO2. Okay, now CO2 means that may be from carbonate or oxalate. O2 gas will be coming from nitrates, permanganate, dichromate, and chlorate. I think you remember the equation of first group. NaNO3 on heating gives NaNO2 plus O2. Chlorate salts. Okay, now 2 KClO3 gives rise to 2 KCl plus O2. Yes, the same thing you are doing in lab here practically. Nitrogen gas, if it is coming, that is from ammonium nitrate. Colorless gas with odor. Okay, now special smell if you are getting, that is ammonium. Okay, now ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate, ammonia, all these. Okay, now colorless gas with odor. Ammonia, characteristic smell, turns Nessler's solution brown, and Nessler's solution is K2HgI4. And turns red litmus blue, red to blue. Okay, now red turns blue means base. That is ammonium ion. H2S, rotten expense if you are getting, that is S minus 2 or hydrated S minus 2, and turns lead estate paper black. Okay, now lead estate paper means PbCH3COO taken twice. This will be converted to PbS, black color lead sulfide. You studied this in organic chemistry, qualitative analysis, correct? SO2, suffocating or irritating smell of burning sulfur, turns acidified K2Cr2O on paper green, that is sulfite. HCl, pungent smell, white fumes with ammonia, white precipitate with silver nitrate, hydrated chloride. Okay. Flame test from onwards we will take in another video. We'll try to make small videos. Acetic acid vapors, nothing but acetate. Smell like vinegar. Vinegar smell you don't think much. Okay, now go to fast food center. Okay, now not to eat, just to taste check the smell. Colorless gas. NO2 gas if it is coming, that may be from nitrite and nitrate. Reddish brown color gas turns ferrous sulfate solution into black. This is not colorless, colored gas. Colored gases. Br2 is reddish brown. See here, this is also reddish brown, this is also reddish brown. Okay, now. But the difference is it turns starch paper orange, red, or yellow, and turns starch iodide paper blue. That's bromide. Chlorine is greenish yellow gas, turns starch iodide paper blue, bleaches moist litmus paper bleaches indigo solution, that is chloride. But in your laboratory, you will get maximum these two. Iodine, I minus, violet turns starch paper blue. Okay, flame test and all will go in video 2. This is video 1. Thank you guys. This is one very important for your graduation as well as for, this is for graduation also. Okay, graduation students also you are going to do the same, but more than one salt mixture will be there. And for class 12 students, only one salt will be there in the laboratory. But more than that, direct these questions will be appearing in your JEE main as well as advanced. Meet you soon with other tests. Thank you.